BBMP solve their problems with numerous potholes in various parts of the locality. Residents have teamed up and started a novel initiative by marking potholes and black spots on Google Maps to help authorities. Lakshmi Siddhas has this story.
Bengaluru has always been known for its citizens activists, and in HSR layout right now, it is no different. About 60 residents of HSR layout have teamed up to help the BBMP help them. This with a smartphone and a neat piece of technology. Zahid, can you just tell me what exactly the citizens of HSR layout are doing?
What we are trying to do here is to plot all the black spots, potholes, even footpath encroachment is going to be one of our next agenda. So we are trying to get all these different issues being faced by HSR layout and plot it on Google Maps. Once we finish it nicely, then we can send that particular matter to the BBMP in Bangalore case or in city corporation for the other cities, and they will take a look at that like a dashboard. So for them, they just have to enable, on the left hand side there will be different buttons. So if they just enable potholes, all the potholes will show up on the Google map. And they don't have to ask the resident or call the resident to know exactly where it is. It's all geolocated, and they can just go there, fix the black spot and say, hey, it's been fixed.
HSR layout is not new to protest when it comes to planning of things to the BBMP. So how do you think something like this will contribute to change?
See, I think BBMP cannot do things on their own because the garbage problem or the pothole problem is very massive. And if we leave it just to the authorities, I don't think they will get any results from that. So unless residents come together and reach their goals also, I don't think any locality can see a change.
And we are not getting all the time during the weekdays, mostly it's a weekend. So what we have done actually, we have formed HSR cyclist volunteer group, and it's about 50-20 guys. So they are mostly available. Sometimes some like let's say 5-6 people will be available, and they are basically doing entire HSR level. Whenever they are finding this kind of black spot, they are basically taking the same pictures, the way what Jai has explained, and they are uploading. So basically, what is happening? Doing this way, we are not constrained to one person on one particular group of people. It's basically percolated down to the entire HSR layout, and that particular volunteer group is from all the sectors.
Sounds good, but what kind of response have you been getting from the BBMP for this particular initiative?
It has been very positive, because what they are trying to do is they are also grappling with the same issues. In fact, one IS officer has been appointed only to take care of traffic, garbage and roads. So the state government is as serious as the BBMP. So I think it's all, as one of the residents was saying, all the stars are aligned now.
It's a simple enough technology, geo-locating it on Google Maps, but do residents take to it easily enough?
Yes, first they may not understand the technicality of it, but one or two such drives have already been done, and there are YouTube videos that are available, so that is being shared to the residents. Please go ahead and check this so that you can get this particular information. We have a few technology people in this group, and though they cannot come on the spot to fix a black spot, they are doing a back-end process of the whole thing. So sometimes he will send us a WhatsApp message saying, hey, I'm going to have a training session on how to geolocate your black spots or your potholes.
Do you think that this will bring a lot more accountability in what the BBMP needs to do for your locality?
Using this technology, we have more data, and even BBMP has a team. They can see what exactly is the priority and what is the major, what is minor. This will help also them to prioritize the things and they will do them. So this way, they are knowing the details, and also they will feel more ownership and accountability. Because earlier they were not knowing, so we were saying the BBMP is not doing the thing. It is not the case. They also want to do, but they were not sure what needs to do. So we are trying to advise them, and we are trying to help them to do the things with the data.
Those were the residents of HSR layout taking the initiative, setting an example, collecting data to help the BBMP solve problems and become more accountable. From Bengaluru, with camera person Kumar, Lakshmi Siddhas for NDTV.